Recording in progress.
All right. Good evening to you all once again, and I welcome you to this evening's presentation. Whilst presenting, if you have any questions, please type it in the chat. Once I'm done, I'm going to address all the questions, or you could simply write it down, jot it down somewhere. When I'm done, I would call in for questions and answers. Uh, okay. Okay. So I want to ask some questions. How do you earn? How do you all earn? I believe all of us here is actually doing something to earn income, right? How do we all earn? Are you an employee? Are you self-employed, or you are a business owner, or you are an investor? Under this four quadrants, where do you fall? If you're an employee, it simply means you have a job, and the number of times that you work for is what you are going to be paid for. So under the employee, there is nothing like leverage. Okay. Now let us look at self-employed. Self-employed means you have your own business that you are running. Okay. It means you own that job, and the number of hours you also put in that job will determine the income that you would be making. Okay. It means if you are sick and you cannot open your shop or whatever business you have, it means you are not going to make any income. Okay, just the same as the employee. If you don't go to work, don't expect your boss to pay you at the end of the month. Now let's look at business owner. So with the business owner, you own a system. Okay, there is a system in place that works for you. It means the people that you have, whenever they produce something or they work for you, you get more money. Okay. So let's assume you have like 50 people in one company, or how do you call it? They are working for you. So whatever that they would produce, or the outcome, that would determine how much money you'd make. Okay. Investor. Investor simply means your money is working for you. If you're an investor, it simply means your money is working for you. Now, employee and self-employed is an active income, meaning you have to be there. Like, your presence must be there before you'll be able to earn. But with the passive income, whether you are there or not, you've already put people there. Like, the system is working for you. It means you are leveraging on people to make money. With the investor, your money works for you. It means you are leveraging on money to make more money. So over there too, whether you are present or not, you are going to earn passively. Okay. Now, earning alone does not end there. Earning an income, it doesn't end there. You have to know how to grow that income, how to grow your wealth. Now, there are so many ways that people grow wealth. Some people grow it through investments with the bank. Others go into gold and silver, they purchase some. Some to go into mutual funds. Some to invest in real estate. All these are ways by which one can grow wealth. And the last one that we have is crypto. So On my screen, you'll be able to see the percentages, okay, that you earn per annum if you invest in all these assets I have. But when you look at my graph, you're going to see that with crypto, you earn great. If you are growing your wealth in crypto, the returns are very huge or can be very huge. That brings us to the question, what is cryptocurrency? Because if you don't understand cryptocurrency, there is no way you agree with me or you would understand that uh is it true that we can grow wealth through crypto? All right. So cryptocurrency, they are digital assets. Okay. You have to pass through a process for it to become physical cash at your hand. There are so many types of cryptocurrencies, but the first and popular one that all of us know is BTC. You can also call it Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was launched and it was launched in 2009, okay? But in 2008, a group of people anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today. Then they launched it in 2009. Currently, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies. A lot. I cannot count. There are many. And as time goes by, it keeps increasing because a lot of people are developing their own crypto assets. Okay. And as its popularity is growing, the users too is increasing, okay, due to its substantial growth in value over the years. Now let's look at some quick facts about cryptocurrency. It's a global digital currency. Crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with the same value worldwide. What does it mean? It simply means if Leader Sophie is in St. Lucia and she sends me 2 Bitcoin, I'm going to receive the same 2 Bitcoin in Germany or wherever I am in this world. The value would not change. That, oh, because you are sending from this continent to another continent, the value will depreciate or go up. No, it's the same value worldwide. Blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency runs on blockchain and it is secured by cryptography that makes it hack proof and has the fastest transaction mode. Another fact is cryptocurrencies are decentralized finance, meaning with cryptocurrency, transactions are peer to peer and not controlled by any central authority or bank. Now, let's look at the growth of Bitcoin. When we say cryptocurrency, you hear a lot of people mentioning Bitcoin because that is the first cryptocurrency that came out and also uh, the best. Now, Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, has shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. In fact, in the last 16 or 15 years now, okay. This makes crypto the best performing digital assets as compared to any other forms of investment. Now, let us look at my screen here. There are so many assets here. We have Amazon, we have Tesla, we have Apple, we have Bitcoin, we have S&P 500, we have Google, we have Microsoft, and we have gold. Look at the percentages. But let us look at the percentage for Bitcoin. 569,772%. So this is a proof that, wow, that is crazy, man. This is in percentage, oh. That is crazy money. Okay. And this proves that it is the best performing asset. How to earn? How do you earn through cryptocurrencies? There are so many various ways one can earn. We have investing and holding. What does it mean? So, crypto investing is the act of buying and holding crypto assets to derive higher appreciation in the future. Then, another way to earn from crypto is mining. Now, what is mining? Mining is the process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. We have staking. When we say staking, it simply means you lock crypto assets for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrencies. The popular way one earn from cryptocurrency is trading. And that is what you and I have been doing. But most people mistaken it to be investing. Okay. Trading. Crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker routes. It seeks refuge in the volatility of the crypto markets to make the best of price fluctuations. One can pay close attention to the crypto market and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. So you can see you buy an asset at a price here, then the asset rises up here, you sell, or you wait and sell over here. Okay, so these are the day to day trading that we are referring to. So this one gives you profit faster than holding. Okay, holding is simply buying an asset at a very cheaper price. Then you'll be like, oh, I'm gonna wait for 2 years. I'm gonna wait for 1 year. I'm gonna wait for the next bull run so I can cash out. Okay. In 2022, 2023, BNB was around 250 or 280 to 300. Now, what's the price of BNB? Let us quickly check it at Coin Market Cap. So now the price of BNB is 600 and 60. It was 658. It just changed to 660. So imagine between 2022 to 2023, we are in 2025 now, 2 years, it has doubled. So do you understand how cryptocurrency works like? BTC is currently at 102,000. It didn't start at this price. It was less than $1. BTC was less than $1 when it was first launched. Look at the all-time low, 0.04864. All-time high, $109,000. This is tremendous growth. All right. So since I've given you just a tip of the iceberg on what cryptocurrencies are and how to earn through cryptocurrencies, I believe you would love to learn, right? You love to get more information or you love to educate yourself more to be part of this best performing assets. Now, everything we do in life, we require something, okay, you cannot get something without not doing anything. It doesn't work like that. So there are three essential requirements that you need before starting any crypto business. One, you need knowledge. Two, time. Three, patience. Someone will be asking, isn't it that we are going to crypto school? We have to enroll into crypto school. Me, I'm old, though. I'm 85 years. How do you expect me to go back to school now? My brains are tired. I can't learn. Time. Oh, I'm doing 8 hours plus another 8 hours again. 16 hours. Hey, I don't think I can do crypto. You don't have the patience because you are not ready to learn. But do not worry. We have an ultimate solution for you. I present to you Royal Quantitative Artificial Intelligence Robot. Now, RoyalQ is a super intelligent automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to trade for you in your crypto exchanges. AI, AI, AI. Some people have been hearing AI, AI. They don't even know what the AI stands for. Artificial intelligence. To trade for you where? In your crypto exchange. That brings us to the next question, crypto exchange. Because I know not everybody is so inclined or into crypto. So I'll be like, hey, they are just using all these big, big grammar, these big technologies. How would some of us understand it? Crypto exchanges are simply platforms where one can purchase crypto, one can sell, one can trade, one can convert, meaning you are converting from either a fiat currency to cryptocurrency or vice versa. That is what we call cryptocurrency. So it means you're going to use the RoyalQ robot. Your trading capital must be on your crypto exchange. It must not be on the RoyalQ app. So you have nothing to be afraid of. Hey, what if I wake up tomorrow and the app is no more functioning? What am I going to do? Won't I lose? No, please. Your trading capital is with you. In this instance, the only money you might lose is your activation fee and your fuel fee. That's all. But I don't see that happening. Nah, never. Now, just think of it as if you are hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your trading while you can sit back and watch the profit grow. Just sit back. Buying, selling will be taking place. That's all. You don't do a lot. You just input the instructions and watch it work. If it needs you, it will alert you, hey, I'm running out of fuel. Can you top up? Then you do the needful. Then it can continue running again. Now let's look at some quick and best features of RoyalQ. What makes RoyalQ stand out? What makes RoyalQ unique? What makes RoyalQ different from the rest? I've had a lot of trading boards. Oh my God. A lot. A lot. Security. With RoyalQ, your capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet, in your control. on which RoyalQ doesn't have permission to withdraw or transfer. It means when you connect your RoyalQ robot to your personal crypto exchange, no one can withdraw from it, not even RoyalQ. Can either withdraw or transfer. Maybe they are not withdrawing, they are transferring from your RoyalQ to another, from your exchange to another. It's not possible. It can never happen. Two, it is super intelligent, super intelligent. Now, RoyalQ executes quantitative trading using artificial intelligence. That is real time monitoring and tracking of big data algorithms. This means continuous income is generated. Works 24/7. Last time, one new member was asking me, ah, is it every day 24/7 the robots will be working? I said, yes. Why are you surprised? It's cryptocurrency we are trading. We are not trading Forex. We are not trading stock. Every day the market is open. There's a difference. So it simply means if we are trading in cryptocurrency and cryptocurrencies are 24/7, it means our robots also must be 24/7. So the RoyalQ trades for you 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week without taking a leave. It will not say, I need pause, I need a break, just like the way I've been working continuously. And you can hear it from my voice now that I'm tired. It's like the soul is willing, but the body, because I'm not a robot, I'm human. You get it? I'm human. So it's normal for me to get tired. But with this our robot, hey, oh my God. Imagine 2 million users. It's serving all of us. Over 2 million users. It's serving all of us simultaneously, the same time, without getting tired. They just say, Chale, you guys have used me too much. I need a break. I can't do this again. Let me take 1 month's break. This robot does not behave that way. Okay. So it's also have the 24/7 real-time monitoring. So you can make money even while you sleep on automatic mode. You can make money whilst you're on summer break, whilst you're on vacation, you're enjoying. The robot there, no enjoyment. So it's just working non-stop. Four, no loss, only profit. Now with RoyalQ, there is no risk of loss as the robot is programmed only to trade in profit and never sells in loss. You know, we have some robots that it sells at loss for you to tell you, I've made -9, you are owing me, you have to rather pay me. If you haven't seen some before, I have seen and used some before. So I know what I'm talking about. But with RoyalQ, the robot is not designed to trade at a loss. When the market is down, it buys more. When the market goes up, it sells what it has bought for you. Simple as that. Five, it has maximum return on investment. Although the profit we make depends on your trading capital and market conditions, still, you can expect 10 to 30% monthly profit. And in a long term, 100 to 500%. It's already happening. We are even seeing more than 200%, 300%. And you and I know our banks cannot give us this. That is the hard truth. Even the banks, they know they can't offer us this. The maximum return on investment one can get on a savings account in Germany here is 4 point, is it 4.5 or 4.3? Guess how much you must have before you can make that per annum? You must have 1 million euros and above. It's not like you have 500, 1 million euros and above that you haven't touched. That is when they can give you that 4 point something percent. How much is that? So imagine you entering into a trade. You have made more than 5% in a day. Ah, won't you be singing hallelujah or dance? You'll be so excited. Forget about how much you invested in it. Focus on the percentage and ask yourself, what if I had added 1 0 or 2 zeros more? It means I would have made more profit. As some of us, our first buying amount is very little. Some have as low as $5 as first buying amount. Others have 10, others have 15. Even if 15, and the robot should buy 10 times, and out of the 10, it sold 5, or all the 10, and you are making 1% on each sale. How much is that? 10%. When the market is extremely high, it's going up. Oh, you people can testify what's happening. Pastor Joseph can testify. It's crazy. Everybody is excited because the market is doing well. Affiliate income. That is one of the features of RoyalQ. Now, RoyalQ comes with an exciting affiliate program. You can see into bracket completely optional. It means it's not compulsory. Whether you share the opportunity or not, the profit you make would not change. RoyalQ will not say, Pastor Joseph, because we are sharing the opportunity, instead of we giving you 5%, let's make it 25. No, it's the same return on investment you get. But if you want to share its benefits with your friends, you earn wonderful commissions on their profits too. So if you decide to be part of the affiliate marketing or the affiliate program, and you share your referral link, because through you someone has been able to get to know about the opportunity, you need to be compensated, right? Most of us do a lot of marketing for people without getting anything in return, yet we still do it. Some of you don't even know you are doing marketing. That's the sad aspect. Maybe you were listening to radio, you heard some nice song, you Shazam it just to get the title of the song. You fall in love with the song. When you post your status, it's inside everywhere. You are showcasing the song. What are you doing? You are promoting the song for the artist who doesn't even know you. Because of you, you've made the song known. Because you have a friends of about 1,000 watching your WhatsApp status. And all of them have heard you play this song on your status. They also go and stream it. Who is making money? The artist now. The song, does it belong to you? No. You go and have some nice haircut. Friends ask you, wow, this style, I love it. Oh, what's the name? Where did you make it? Or I want to also do the same. You go there. Will they pay your friend for bringing you or for showing you? No, they won't. So we do affiliate marketing in our daily lives without even knowing that we are doing it. Unless someone pinpoint it to you that this is what you've done. You go, Bedu Kwasi Asem. What have I done? Free of charge. Free bonto. But with this Royal Q, if you decide to share it with your family, your loved ones, strangers, enemies, your haters, your exes, anybody you decide to share the opportunity with, you'll be compensated beautifully. We'll come back to that side. Now, how do you get started with using this amazing robot? Don't go and rush after watching videos on TikTok and wherever. Don't go and rush to Google Play Store to download the app just because you know it's available there. Relax. Because in this business, No matter how smart or intelligent you can't do it alone. I swear, Allah walai, you can't. You need someone to guide you through it. You need someone to put you through the baby steps. There are some one or two things you might think you know, but no, you have done it wrong. That is why you need someone's referral link to be able to register. Once you register, you are redirected to another page where you can tap on the download button. It quickly sends you to your Google Play Store, your Android store, or your App Store. So the RoyalQ app is available on these three stores that I've mentioned. Now that is just the RoyalQ. We come to the crypto bank. That is the crypto exchange. You need either Binance, you need HTS, or Kraken, or Indodax, or KuCoin, or Mexi, Get.io, OKS, or Bybit. These 9 exchanges, you can connect any to RoyalQ. So once you have these 2 apps on your phone, we can get started. Binance. I'm going to highlight some quick facts about Binance. I believe some of you watched the World Cup and other football, and you can see that most of the crypto exchanges are sponsors. So ask yourself, those who are saying crypto is a scam, no? Are they watching football at all? Or those who are not part of the world, right? They don't watch football. Okay. So if crypto is a scam, can a scam sponsor UEFA Champions League? Can a scam sponsor La Liga? Okay. Binance is known to be the world's largest crypto marketplace. It's the world's first ranked crypto exchange. Binance daily volume sometimes can be more than 76 billion. Binance is the leading crypto exchange in the whole wide world. It has highly secure facilities. It has up to 5 levels of security keys. Only you can withdraw or transfer. If you give your credentials to your husband, your wife, whatever, whoever, they cannot withdraw except you. Because it will either need your facial ID, your thumbprint, your email, your phone, or your Google Authenticator. 5 levels of security keys. It's not easy. You cannot withdraw. It's impossible. All right. Let us look at some quick facts of RoyalQ. If you join in late, at least you can get it all wrapped up. RoyalQ is an AI robotic trading platform. It's a financial tool, don't forget, that helps you to trade in crypto. It's trading on Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, Get.io, Mexi, OKS, Indodax, HTX, all these 9 exchanges. You can connect it to your RoyalQ. The app has over 2 million users worldwide. 2 million. You're seeing 1.5. This is an old PDF. I've not edited it. 2 million users, and it's in over 200 countries. We have made over 182 million total profit. RoyalQ is part of the top 7 financial app on iOS, Google Play Store as well. It is the first quantitative AI trading application. That one there, you can't take it from us. Let's look at one feature of the RoyalQ. API binding. What does API stands for? Application Programming Interface. What does it do? It helps read balance and buy and sell. Okay. So the Royal Q, don't forget from the beginning, I told you your trading capital will not be on Royal Q. It's going to be in your crypto bank. That is your crypto exchange. So there has to be some connectivity that will enable the robot to be able to pick trades on your behalf. So once they pick trade on your behalf, you're going to see those same assets on your crypto exchange. It's because of the API binding. All right. So Royal Q activation. There are two types of fees we pay in RoyalQ. One, the annual subscription fees. Annual means the whole year. You pay 120 USDT. So this powerful and amazing tool that will be buying, selling, whilst you are sleeping, you are snoring, doing your own thing in bed. The robot is also busy. You pay only 120 USDT for it. Just take it as if 120 divided by 12 months. It means you are paying $10 every month for the robot. $10. That is very cheap. Okay. Now, out of the 120, all the 120 does not go to RoyalQ. The company really thinks about us. We, the promoters, they really think about us, Papa. Because without us, we would not have made 182 million now. It's true they provided us the robots, but we also promoted it. So out of the 120, RoyalQ distributes 80 back to its users who promote the application. 70 goes to the line of networkers from V1 to V6. Then the rest of the 10 goes to the V6 again because the activation global dividends. Anytime someone activates, they keep $10 down. I'll explain that when we get there. So they distribute 80 back to its users who promotes the application. So if you are not promoting the RoyalQ app, or since you started trading, you've never shared the opportunity, you are not part. You don't enjoy from this 120. Fuel fees, 20% of profit, not capital. So of every trading profit RoyalQ makes for you, it deducts 20% as fuel fees. Isn't that good? That is fair. Oh. Hey, they didn't even say 60-40. 80-20. We keep 80, we give back 20 to them. That is fair. Because the app, hey, it's not easy to run an app. Oh. Websites cry, it's not easy to run it. Talk less of an app that they keep updating all the time. So guys, it's worth it. It's worth it. Now, this fees is charged only when you make a profit, not on capital. RoyalQ distributes 70% of the fuel fees back to its users who promotes the app. So someone will be like, hey, this lady, see how she's making mistake and she's so bold making the mistake. How can they deduct 20% as fuel fees and they give back 70? Someone will be like, the maths is not mathing, or how do you say it? Please, the 20% is converted into 100%. You know you can convert 20 to 100, right? So the 100, RoyalQ keeps 30 and distributes 70. Isn't that fair? Ah, that is so sweet. So yes, let's look at the compensation plan of RoyalQ. There are 4 types of income. 4. 1, self-trading profit. That is you trading with your own capital. The profit you make is dependent on 2 major factors: the market movement and how much capital you have. Then 2, we have the affiliate program. The affiliate program too is broken into 3 major ways to earn. Okay, I'll show you that soon. You have the activation bonus and the team trading profit, but it's also broken down into other layers. Then we have the copy traders. So who are copy traders? Though RoyalQ comes with a default trade settings that you can use provided you have the money to suit it, or you can edit it to suit your capital. You could also follow copy traders. So copy traders are people, users of RoyalQ, who come out with their own unique trade settings and give it out to the community. So whoever joins their copy trading community, you pay strategy fees. So instead of paying for fuel fees, you pay strategy fees as well. So if you're someone who complains of strategy fees, then don't venture. Sorry, fuel fees. Don't venture going for a copy trader because you pay extra for fuel fees. Okay. Sorry, strategy fees. Then the last way to earn is mentorship. So who are mentors in the RoyalQ business? For you to become a mentor, you need to be on the second level and above. Now, once you become a mentor and people chooses you, anytime they make profit in their trading, their so-called upline will get 50%, whilst their mentor will also get 50%. So instead of all the 100, whatever benefit going to the upline is being shared into two. Mentor takes half, upline takes half. 50-50. It's a fair deal. So yeah, the self-trading profit I've already explained. Now let's look at the activation bonus. So the activation bonus says when you refer someone and they activate, if you just register and the person has not activated, you've not done anything. You've just registered the person. And after 90 days, the system wash away their details. After 90 days, if they haven't activated, everything is deleted. When you refer someone and they activate their RoyalQ using your invitation link, you earn activation bonus between 30 to 70, depending on the rank you are on. If you're on the first rank, you earn 30 USDT once you activate someone with your link. On the first rank, you don't earn indirect activation gains. If you're on the second rank, you earn 40 once you use your referral link. If you have people under you, when they invite someone, you are going to make 10 USDT. So you didn't bring them, but your downlines brought them. You earn 10. That is the only indirect fee you earn on the second rank. Then the third rank. If you use your link, you earn 50 USDT. Then the indirect bonuses, we have 20, we have 10. Then the fourth rank, when you use your link, you earn 60 USDT. We have indirect bonuses of 30, 20, and 10. So depending on the rank, if I have someone on the first rank in my team, once they activate anybody in their team, I'll be earning 30-30. If I have someone on the second rank in my team, once they activate from that team, I earn 20. Then if it's on the third rank, I earn 10, 10, 10. But if it's on the fourth rank, that is the same rank, you earn 1.5 activation fee. Now the fifth rank, you earn 65 and the rest of the activation fee goes in that order. Okay. Then the sixth rank, you earn 70 USDT. Okay. You earn 70 USDT. That is so beautiful. 70. That is crazy, man. And I know people on this rank that are still sharing the opportunity. They always display their 70 anytime they activated someone. Now, the team reward, that is from the trading profits. Okay, so that 20% we talked about, this is how it's being allocated. Then the rest goes to the RoyalQ. All right. So this is the potential income. This is just an estimate of daily potential income of how much you can earn at each rank in RoyalQ. But don't really focus on this because it depends on your team speed and work input. Okay. But this is just an approximation. Now let's look at the global dividend. The reason why global dividend is highlighted in this file is because it's a very special bonus. Which people get this bonus? You can see it's very big here. V6, that is the last rank earners. We call them the global partners. Now, global dividend is you having a share in the company's global turnover. Hey, that is crazy, man. Now, this income is reserved exclusively for V6 rank holders who, along with all the other incomes, receive a share in the company's global income. Now, activation global dividends, that's what GD stands for. $10 from all the global activations is accumulated and shared among all V6 daily. You remember I told you the 120 that we activate. Once we activate 30 to 70 is being shared. Then 10 is left. Okay. 80 comes to the RoyalQ users, then 40 goes to the RoyalQ company. So this 80, 30 to 70 is for V1 to V6. Then 10 is for V6 alone again. Isn't that beautiful? That is so awesome. Now let's look at the trading global dividends. So 2% from every trading profit earned globally is taken from the fuel fees and shared among all the V6. So this one is not the 100%. This is the 20%, the total 20. Okay, 2% is deducted and shared with the V6. So this is just a power of duplication, whereby if you decide to duplicate within a year, if you do it religiously, you'll be able to grow 4,096 people. It's doable, it's possible. So, January, you introduce one person. Make sure that one person also bring one person. That is those who want to share. This is not compulsory to everybody, okay? It doesn't apply to all of us. Then February, don't forget the 1+1 you have will now be 2. It's not as if these 2 people are dead. No, they will still be. Now, these 2 people, they are here now. Then they also bring 2 again. You now be 4. So that duplication continues. Within a year, you'll be able to produce 4,096. If you can bring more than 1, voila, meaning more money for you. Okay, so this is also a 3-year projection. But before I end my Zoom, I'll quickly go to a trading page for you to see. The network on RoyalQ today has been a bit slow. Yeah. But don't worry, 15th of May, they are going to update it. They're going to remove some features and add some features. Once they do that, I'll do a video on my YouTube channel so that you can understand more. But let's go to profit details. Oh, okay, showing. So profit details, this is the record of the profit you make from your trading. Total means the total of everything you have made, every profit, not 10. Then total profit, this is for today. Now you can see 13th of May on my screen. You are wondering, you are checking your clock. When did we enter into 13th? You are not wrong. You are right. RoyalQ app uses the Singapore time. It's displayed here. So someone will be like, this girl, did she go to school in RoyalQ? I don't know where she got all this knowledge from. How did she do it? It's just by reading. The things that people don't pay attention to read, I read that. So you see, it's written in small fonts. So your mind can't not be on, you'll be like, it's not necessary now, but that is really necessary. So data within the past 24 hours may still be subject to rollover update. Data is shown under Singapore time, UTC +8. Now, are you in Singapore? Are you in a country using UTC +8? If the answer is no, Then you'll be making profit for the next day when you haven't yet entered into the next day. And Charlie, we the marketers, we flex with this one. Oh, hey, you wait. You see me posting on my status. Hey, have you started making money for tomorrow? Oh, on RoyalQ. We even start making money for tomorrow before we enter into tomorrow. Hey, someone is like, what? Which kind of business is that? I want to be part. And the person will get on board. All right. So that is it. Now you can see the figures are different because the market moves in a wave-like manner. It moves like this. You can call it logoligi or zigzag. It moves in that manner. Let's look at it briefly. Where should we look at it at? Should we go to RoyalQ or Coin Market Cap? Oh, this is beautiful logoligi. You can see. Bah. Oh, let me use blue because it's red. Bah. Bah. It's in that order. So you see, this is what we call volatility. That's the movement. It's not straight. So why would the market be always be going up? Hey, so how would the poor people buy if it's always going up? Someone too must enter low now. It can't always be going up always. Okay. So that is the movement for it. Let me get a very volatile coin. Like let's see Dodge. I wish I can use 15 minutes. There is no 15 minutes. Only 1 hour. So you can see the past movements. Beautiful, right? That is it for you. The shapes are funny. Okay. So yeah, that is how it moves. It moves in wave like that is why your profit is not always the same. This is not a return on investment. This is not a broker trading for you. That the broker every day I'll be giving you profit. No, please. We do not control the market. The RoyalQ robot is a financial tool that helps us to trade in cryptocurrencies. So it's not a RoyalQ that will say, you today, let's give everyone 20%. Please, no. It is a crypto market. One moment the market is down, the next moment the market is up. That is how it works. So you can see some days are good, some days are bad. Okay. So that is it about the profit details. Now let's go to where we can see the coins that are trading at the moment. So we have ARB, we have Bonk, we have CVC, we have XLM and XRP. Okay, XRP has not bought because of MACD. It will trigger when it's due. Okay, you can see wait for MACD condition to trigger the first buy. So it's just waiting patiently. I'm not the one doing anything. The robot buying and selling. 17 cycles have been completed on XRP. Total profit 501. Is the robot doing its work? 58 margin call count. 51. Total investment 1,128. Total investment 780. You are not the one doing it. It's the robot. Sometimes you enter into the market, you are out quickly. Sometimes you delay. It all depends on the market. The same coin is 33 minutes. It delivered. This one 13 hours. This one 7 hours. This one 1 minute, 2 minutes. It's real. If you haven't experienced it, you might think someone is telling lies, but it is real. See this one 28 days, 6 hours, 37 minutes. Can you see? 13 days, 12 hours. So, guys, yeah, that is it. Let's move out of XRP. Okay. So, yeah, That is it. So this is where you see your coins, the money that you have in your exchange. We trade with four different base currencies depending on the trading pairs you want to use. This account is trading on the USDT. Let's tap on this. Hold on, let me relaunch my app and reopen it again. Are you enjoying the session? Have you learned something about crypto today? I believe so. Don't let anybody deceive you. You can go and do your own due diligence. Now there are AIs. You don't have to go to Google. Google, the search engines will complicate the whole thing for you. Cry. You even feel lazy to go and research on Google. That is why we have the AIs. Gemini is there. Grok is there. Meta AI is there. ChatGPT is there, my favorite. Just go and type, hey, Pat de Boisville. Hey, is that a real person? I hope scammers are not invading this Zoom today. All right. Because I have Pastor Joseph, the police, policing the Zoom. All right. So that is it. This is how the RoyalQ app looks like. We have the home button. It's a user friendly app. In fact, I love this app. I love it so much because it's very transparent, it's user friendly, all details, customer service, everything all in one. You can even chat with the RoyalQ app. Isn't that beautiful? You can link it to your social media Telegram. You can just do your thing. In fact, this app, dear, no app can be compared to it. Now I'm going to quickly stop sharing the screen. So I've showed you about trading. Let me quickly share another screen to show you something before I allow questions and answers. So the account I shared to you was only trading. That some people, this Ryan Q. If you don't share the opportunity, they are lying. You will not make profit. Hey, people can lie. Hey, who said that? That's not true. You need to test it yourself before you can also. You people are lying. It's not true. I'm only trading. I haven't brought one single soap, but I'm making profits now. What are you talking about? What are you saying? Okay, okay, okay. So these are bonuses from team building. You can see mentor bonus because I applied for the mentorship program. Peer reward. I have someone who is on the same rank as me, an indirect team member. Then I have mentor bonus, peer reward, mentor bonus. You see activation gains too. Okay, these are all mentor bonus. So all these are monies. You see green, 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 green. I didn't show you the full fee. Sorry. I'll show you soon. So you can see green, 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 green. Now let's go to the top. Once you refresh, money will drop. Once you refresh, money will just drop. It's just dropping. See, within 3 minutes, it's 9-3. This is 9-3-44, 9-3-39, 9-3-39, 9-3-34. Hey, my team, they are killing it all. Now the way people are making money rough, because the thing is scaring me. Everybody is making money. All right. So let us go to this bottom here. That is where you see the withdrawal and the deposits. If you deposit on RoyalQ, you see the record on deposits. Now let's go to withdrawals. That is what excites most people because they are like, hey, RoyalQ, I learned you must have four figures before you can withdraw. Hey, my dear, if you have two figures, forget it. Will die your money. It's peanuts for them. The system will not let you withdraw it. Hey, it's a lie. The minimum you can withdraw from RoyalQ is 10 USDT. If you withdraw 10, they'll deduct 2. You'll be left with 8. Maximum, dear, there is nothing like maximum. Provided the money is there, you can withdraw. If it's four figures you have and it's withdrawable, why not? You can withdraw. I've withdrawn four figures before. Now I don't really. Let me see if I can get some. So this is 16 USDT. Those who said it's not true, you can withdraw. Sometimes you have to prove to people. All these doubting Thomases. Sometimes if you say something like, hey, are you sure? Are you sure, my leader? Are you very sure of what you are saying? So sometimes you. Have to prove them. I don't blame them because of where we are coming from. So it's normal for them to ask such questions. I'm looking for four figures. So I'm going to show you soon. The jobs we are doing cannot pay us like this. So, hey, forget it. We are just killing ourselves, working, working, working like horses. We even work more than. We work like we are the robots. This is 998, not yet three figures, but you wait. Yeah, this is one three figure. Can you see it? 30th of March, I withdrew 122. 31st of March, 1,891 USDT. Please calculate it in your currency. How much is it? How much is it? How much was deducted? Two. How much was deducted? Two. RoyalQ not say, hey, Doris, this money is too much. We cannot allow you to take all this 1,008. Ah, why? For what? No, 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 we won't allow that. At least you have to give us 200. You give us 200 and keep 1,006. Please, no. Any amount you withdraw, two. I have seen 10,000 being withdrawn. It was only two that was deducted. Please, RoyalQ, they were not greedy. No, no, these people, we are making them withdraw too much. No, 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 no. We cannot let them take it all. Yeah, this is 1,002. So most of my withdrawals, you see two at the end because I need whole figures. Okay. So that is withdrawal proofs. To the doubting Thomases, they're like, hey, this lady, you know how her mouth is so sweet. She will just say that it's sweet, 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 so that it will ginger you, but it is real. Let's go to reward details so you can see. Yesterday, one of my V1 members activated someone from their team, and $30 was made. Check the time, 12:23. Charlie, we know they sleep, oh. So if you see the money coming, you have to put respect on our name. You got it? With the work. Women, these are not men at work, women at work. You can see earnings are coming through like that. We have activate peer income. That is someone who is on the same rank as me in my team. This is not a Ponzi scheme. With Ponzi scheme, there is no way you can outrank the person who brought you on board. Never. So get it. Don't get it twisted. Team quantification, peer reward, global dividends. If I get to V6, I'll show you this part. Okay? You relax. Relax. Mellow for the shitter. Okay? So yes, that is it. Every day and how much you make. Okay? Depending on your team members' efforts. Imagine I started this business with only $100. So me, I didn't have trading capital. Me, I wasn't rich. Like some of you people, some people started with $300 as trading capital. Others started with 1,000, 20,000. Me, they only started with 100. I said, Doris, this math God has created. Make sure you use it well instead of gossiping, calling, hey, have you seen this girl's shoe? Please, please, so this math, I have to share the opportunity. I have to bless someone. And 100 has now become 47,000 USDT, equivalent in cedis. And my brothers and sisters, this is just one account. The rest of the accounts, they are relaxing. They are doing push-up. So yes, that is from sharing. This is not from how much capital gave you 47,000. No. This is capital of the math. What the math can do. Team building capital. That is it. Okay. So yes, I'm going to end my presentation with one of my favorites. Someone will say favorites. Favorites. However you pronounce it, let us go. English is not our. Hey, sorry, I know some English people are here. My native language is Ewe. So yes, I'm going to end with Warren Buffett's quote. And I quote, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. You're gonna work until you die. Let me just make it a bit sweet. You're gonna work. You're gonna work until you die. This is not a curse. It's reality. Okay. So yes, that is it. Do you have any questions for me? Kindly raise your hands up by tapping on reactions. Then you tap on raise hand on the Zoom. Okay, where you see the mute on mute, you just see reactions, that laugh symbol. Tap on raise hands, then I can see your hands in the participants. Or I'm going to pick up the chats. If there are any questions in the chats, let me address them. Okay. So let's look at the chats. Please, my co-host, if someone raised their hands up, let me know because my attention they the chat inside. All right, Dr. Uma, good evening. Hope you are doing good. Yes, we are all fine. Princess Minatu says, good evening, everyone. All right, Alhamdulillah. Okay, we have some Muslims in the building. You are even trying anti serving many people in a day. Try. You are the best. You too, you are the best. Leader Sophie says, true. That Leader Doris, I say that all the time. Or we go to a hotel and we like the food, and bam, we start to promote the hotel. So, people, let's not block our minds when it comes to sharing and gaining. Thank you, Leader Sophie, for adding this nuggets. All right. Ignoramus fantaz. Hey, yay. Rabbi, you kill me with this English. I have to. Princess Bidat says it's funny cry, especially we ladies. We do that a lot. Yeah, logaligi, logaligi. Oh, Leader Margaret, you also know logaligi in your language. Yeah, I don't even know where the word logaligi comes from. But all right. Oppo A9 says, awesome class, ma. Thank you. So either it's madam or you know how the Nigerians they used to say ma. Okay. All right. Kpakposhito, yeah, kpakposhito. Florence Salwa says, I want to know what happened when your phone goes off or if you don't have a strong internet. Yeah, Florence Salwa, that is a great question. So because it's an AI, it's already been programmed. Once you give it the instruction during the time you had internet, it's going to work. Whether your phone has been stolen, your phone fell in wherever it's lost, the robot there to work. You have set it so it will continue working until you don't have fuel fees. But the robot will not stop working once you get to where there is no internet because robots say, internet is not here, so let me stop buying and selling. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay. So it will work. But you need a strong internet to set it up first. Okay. But once the phone goes off, when you come back online, you see the work that it has done or everything that happened. All right. All right. Mr. Ernest says there is one thing I've learned about Leader Doris, Leader Angel Doris. It's like he has changed the thing. Angel Gabriel, Angel, hey, now it's Angel Doris. Okay. And she's among the few people I've known who practices that, and she knows a little about more things, not more about little things. Ish, thanks, leader. You're a testimony to many you ain't aware of. Oh, you see when your boyfriend or your fiancé or your husband say those sweet words, you be like, oh. Mr. Ernest, thank you for making me blush. Okay, so Florence Salwa says, thank you. That is loud and clear, Angel. Thank you. I salute you, Madam Florence. So it seems today, my audiences, you guys understand everything that I did. So I didn't get a lot of questions. Guys, if you're a new member here, do not forget to get back to whoever invited you. This is a great opportunity. See, with Royal Q, dear. I salute. I always say this is a prayer answering business. Okay. I have personally done a lot of online businesses. I can't even keep track of them. A lot. And there are people that I did together with them. Some happen to be here on this live session. They can confirm to that. But guys, none can be compared to Royal Q. Royal Q stands out. And I always say it's my prayer answering business because it's not only changed my life, But it's a business that has changed the life of the people that through me they're able to know of the opportunity. And that is awesome, right? Because Charlie, the inflation there is everywhere. Oh. It's not like only Ghanaians are the ones suffering or Uganda. It's everywhere, even in Europe here. Oil that we were buying for how many cents before you should wake up one day, hey, 10 euro, Jesus. Will you say you will not buy oil again? You must eat now. And you know our salary work. You're always in negative. So that is why you need this part time. When Corona came, a lot of people lost their jobs. Some people lost their lifetime career all to this nonsense global whatever pandemic. Now robots are taking over. So it's better you secure yourself well, stand well before robots will fire you from your job. Oh, all right. So that brings us to the end of today's business presentation. I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. And next week, same time, we'll be having another business presentation. You can join us 100 times before you take a decision, but don't be in a rush. Just take it cool. Do your due diligence. Come in with more questions. I'm here for you. I'll break it down for you. Okay. All right. Oh, there's another question. Okay, this is not a question. Ah, Uncle T says the blush is blushing. Hey, Uncle T. Hey, Uncle T, I remember you. I know you. I know you now. I remember you. Yes, the blush is blushing. I love it. All right. So
So
Oppo
true.
says, please, ma, is there a specific
So true.
amount
The
to
blush is blushing.
the blush is blushing? You know now. All right. So Oppo, the amount to start the robot is 120, then you need a minimum of 20 as fuel fees, but you can start with as low as 10. But with the trading capital, that one I cannot determine because I don't know your pocket. But I usually recommend 100 as trading capital. So if you put everything all together, that would be one, let's say 240. But you feel random. You see, you can just make it 250 or 245, or just make it beautiful. So yeah, that is it about the fees. But good thing is you can increase your trading capital as time goes on. Don't say, this business, I'm waiting to get 50,000 before I can start. No. Start small, grow your capital. Okay. Today you've learnt about how to grow wealth. So start it now. Don't wait till Jesus comes. So yeah, Leader Trevor, I'm going to help you after this meeting. So just uh I'll end this one because it's a recorded version. I'm going to end it and I'll reopen it again. Then we'll meet. Hmm. Okay, so Trevor is an old member and I know him. That's why I said I'll help him. So, yes, that brings us to the end of today's presentation. Thank you all for joining in. I'm so happy to have you all here, all of you.